Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Boostaro before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Boostaro is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Boostaro is only sold on the official website. Given the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Boostaro without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Boostaro, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Boostaro has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with powerful ingredients like L-Citrulline, pine bark extract, L-lysine, magnesium, vitamin C, and many others. These components work together to naturally support blood flow, enhance cardiovascular health, increase energy levels, and improve overall performance and vitality. Whether you're struggling with stamina, low energy, or performance issues, Boostaro was designed to target the root cause, supporting your body from within to restore healthy circulation and vitality. If you've been feeling a drop in confidence, energy, or drive, Boostaro was made for you. No longer rely on blue pills or quick fixes that only offer temporary effects. Boostaro, this is a natural solution that builds real, lasting results. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Boostaro, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Boostaro for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Boostaro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Boostaro has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Boostaro from, and remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Boostaro actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.